Hello, hello, my beautiful fart faces. This is Bev, aka Bev B Diamond Paints. Thank you so much for joining me today as I unveil my very first Chuck Pinson, or as I like to call him, Chucky Pinny. Chucky Pinny. Can someone ask him if that's okay, that's his nickname? It doesn't matter, actually. I'm just going to call him Chucky Pinny anyway. It is a round diamond painting. I thought it would be a square, actually, but it's a round, and it is called Simple Country. Look how cute that is, and there's a little cat. So it measures 74 by 56 centimeters, and it's a round, like I said. So let's open up this box. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you join my hive. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. I upload videos on a weekly basis, so there's always something fresh for your eyeballs to watch. Take this out of the box, do a little sticker dump. Oh, tray kit dump too. So this is the diamond painting kit toolkit that you will get with your kit. I'll look at it really quickly for those of you who've never owned a diamond art club before. You get a bunch of baggies, a whole bunch of baggies, 2 plates of heart wax, and a squishy, and a diamond painting tray, and a 4-placer. You also get a diamond painting pen, and it's blue. So that's the kit. You get this giant sticker. Here is a better thumbnail to look at of the diamond painting. And it looks like it is 43 colors. So this, if you've never kitted up before, or if you do kit up with plastic containers or baggies, whatever you do, you can actually cut these out and then use them as labels on your baggies or your containers. So this whole entire sheet is a sticker, which is amazing. You also get this little sticker, which you can put on your box or in your logbook, wherever you want. It is your sticker to do as you please. I'm actually going to put it on the box right now before I forget. Oh, it's not very straight, but that's okay. And this way, when I stack my diamond paintings, I can see what diamond painting is inside the box. So now let's open up the canvas. Rip it. Ruthless. I'm ruthless. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. Here are the drills. You get this step-by-step instructions with tips and tricks, and that's it. Here are the drills, so we'll take a look at them a little bit after. We'll take a look at them a little bit closer afterwards, I meant to say. Now let's look at the canvas. I am so excited for this, I swear. I keep seeing people work on Chuck Pinsons, Chucky Pinnies, especially Mindy's Diamond Moment. She's always doing like a Chuck Pinson, and this is for her event, her and Maritza's event, Kiss My Crafts on YouTube. Mindy's Diamond Moments and Kiss My Crafts are doing the Chuck Along this year. They had one last year. So I'm going to be taking part in it for the very first time. I'm so excited. So this is the canvas I will be using for the Chuck Along. Let me just adjust my camera. Sorry for the glare from the window, but that's okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this gorgeous freaking canvas. So here we have a house, a giant tree, some of the sky in the background there, a little tire swing action, a cute little baby cat, so cute. And then we have a fence, some flowers in the little walkway here, and there's a front door. Wow, this canvas is amazing, and I'm scared. Guys, I'm really scared because of the confetti. It's scaring me. This is a lot of confetti. If you know me, I love using a multi-placer. I love color blocking. This is going to be a project for me. Seriously, seriously. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at the schematic. Here we go. Looks like there's 2 ABs, 135 and 136. So those are the Aurora Borealis beads. Or drills, I should say. I keep calling them beads. I know they're called drills. Don't make fun of me, guys. So 43 colors. And the AB drills are 1 and 2. So there's a bunch of this lime color here. If you can see where my finger is, you can kind of see this lime color here is going to be that AB color. So down here, sorry I keep knocking the camera, down here we have some 1s. And 2 is this blue color, so there's going to be some ABs here. Lots of 1s throughout the tree. Some 2s here. Where else are there 2s? Are those 2s? Those are not 2s. Okay, so mostly, I think there's just going to be a lot of 1s. And there's just a few 2s. Interesting. I'm sure I'm missing some 2s. But really all I see are the 1s in the tree. Here. And then just a few 2s here in the little bushes. Okay. Am I missing something? Is that it for 2s? Looks like that's it for 2s. Interesting. Okay. So that's where the special drills are going to go. Wow. Okay, let's take a close look at this canvas. I will do one of those tours. So now let's take a look at the Aurora Borealis drills, or we'll look at all of the drills, but I'll specifically pull those out. So we have the drill bag is marked Simple Country. Rip this thing open. Come on. Here we go. Take a little look-see at the colors. There's some purple, surprisingly. Where does that purple come from? I don't know, but it's there. Some greens, so like very neutral colors, I would say. Some, oh, whoa, okay, look at this. This is 135, so this is going to be number 1, I believe, for the ABs. Wow, those are bright. And they're really pretty. See how pretty those are? Okay, so there's that one of the ABs, and the other one I'm thinking is going to be blue. Is it blue? I feel like it's going to be blue. Where is the AB? Let's see. Oh, okay, so it's like a purpley blue. That's so pretty. So yeah, not a lot of the symbol 2, but this is here. This here is the AB that's going to be in those bushes near the front of the house. Wow, that's really pretty actually. So pretty. So this is Simple Country. I'm super excited to be doing it for the Chuck Along. Again, this is the first time I'm ever taking part in the Chuck Along, and apparently Chuck Pinney himself is sponsoring it. There's going to be a prize from Chuck Pinney, but other prizes as well. So that's awesome. I'm super excited to be starting this. I will be starting it on March 1st, and maybe I'll film myself kitting it up and we can chat while I kit it up. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is click that red button and you'll get updated when I upload new videos on a weekly basis. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!